I should tell you the story about skipping study hall. It's my senior year in high school. 8th period, we had study hall. We had a music store about 4 city blocks from the high school. So I decided I'll skip study hall and I'll run out and buy banjo strings. I didn't drive yet, so I went and I got caught. And so I had to go to the principal's office and I explained to him that I was going to buy banjo strings. And the principal told me, "I would like for you to explain to me how banjo strings have anything to do with your future."
Can you say banjos have provided for your lifestyle?
Yeah, I mean, everything that you see here, it's not a lot, but it's all been paid for with banjos. I was always making something. Cardboard box with a magnifying glass on it and a light bulb inside to project images on the wall. Anything I find in magazines that was something to make, I was making it. Wasn't real big on education. I wanted to make things.
How did you learn how to make things? So was it trial and error?
Yeah, pretty much.
You are known for when you make something, you make it exactly the way it was made. And in fact, you more often than not make it better than the way it was initially made. How did you get that information?
Most of the pearl work and that, I'll copy from things that are, well, they're published on the web. I had Xeroxes from originals. Dick Powell down in Belmont, West Virginia would give me patterns. Most of what I do is build 5-string necks for people that either have 4-string banjos or people that have just wound up getting an orphan banjo pot.
And what percent of them are like bluegrass versus old time?
About an even amount of requests for Gibson style necks as Vega necks.
I know you got some pretty eye candy here. You want to talk about what that is?
Sure. This is not a bluegrass neck, but a Gibson neck. This is a plectrum version of the PT Royal, and this was actually Xeroxed from an original. And this gold sparkle material I got from Jimmy Yarborough down in Gun Barrel City, Texas. And it came from, I believe, that it came from the Davis Kennedy collection. And Davis Kennedy retired from Gibson in 1967. And I got one roll, one full sheet of the gold, and I got 3 rolls of silver. And so this is actually, if it's not pre-war gold sparkle, it's as close as I've ever seen.
You're a stickler on that, aren't you?
If I can get the real stuff, that's what I want to use.